Here's a video I made testing out the Cosaita payload airdrop system for DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's kind of a fun little thing. It says it can transport up to 250 grams. I just used a little wiffle ball. I think it could be fun for a game trying to target practice or something, but anyway, here's the video. All right, let's see how these are all the parts that come with. Four extender legs, and then the main unit here. This one is 3D printed, which is kind of cool, good quality. This wraps around the drone, and this is a photo diode sensor that fits right underneath the main landing light of the drone, and that's how it's controlled. I'll show that here in a minute. Let's just see how much all this weighs. So we put the legs on here. Alright, so that's 20 grams, and then we add this. Oops. Total get 52 grams out of that. Okay, so here's this part. And it works. You turn it on here. You get a blue light in there. And then just to simulate the light, I'm going to use the flashlight here. So you program your drone so that the light here turns on when you press the a custom button, and then this drops the ring. So you would hang your payload on a ring here like this, and then the light would and then there's this button here on the side that you can press and get it back to vertical, so you can rehang it. So pretty clever little thing. We'll go fly it on the drone here next. All right, so the way this works is you go into your remote, either your phone or the RC2 for DJI. You go into the settings for controller and you program the custom button, either 1 or 2. I did custom 2 to be for auxiliary light, is what it was called in my software. So I turn that on. It goes in 3 sections. It goes auxiliary light enabled, auxiliary light on, and auxiliary light off. So you kind of have to press it 2 times to get it to turn on, is what I found. But once you program it for that, then you'll see that the light goes on and off when you press the button. Press the button.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
All right, I'm just gonna press this button and let's see if it drops it. There, 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you can see it, but up there, it's turning around. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can drop the ball on top of this table from up, just to try something kind of fun. Okay, so that's what that screen looks like. This guy up here. 3, 2, 1. Almost hit him.
Landing.
But in general, it's kind of fun.